would find Abdul Karim. Back to George Poku. Poku with a cross. It drops for Muhammad Ali. His connection do not good enough. Karim looks up. Good ball from him now to Poku. Flicks the ball on now. It drops. Duku with a chance for Asante. It's a goal!
Oh wow! What a way to start the Super Clash. What were they doing at the back?
Caught ball watching. Look at it. The flick from Poku was good. Duku ran to it. Zakaria was caught ball watching. And the count finished on Duku to open the floodgates here at the Huge Stadium. Asante 1, Kotoko 0.
I mean, when you look at that pass infield and the one time flick that went over the head of Zakaria, he was caught ball watching. He didn't know what went over him, and all Frank Duku had to do was follow the ball and nutmeg goalkeeper Kamara.
At the back for Kotoko, but passes line was straight to Mohamed Hussein. Hussein finds Karim. Karim on the ball now. Beautiful play from Karim. Shoots and straight at Kamara, who saves coolly.
Philip Amwa
With his left foot, he goes in for beautifully. Amwa gets the ball to Saka Dauda. Saka on the ball now. In the box he goes. Saka on the ball still. 10th round. He has to go back. He does so. He finds Asiedu. Patrick on the ball now. Goes to Command. Cross comes in for Asiedu. Good one. But headed out by Muhammad Ali. And straight to Philip Amwa. Another cross comes in from him. Flicked on by Albert Kamwa and ball cleared.
Zito with a good kick. It drops and headed on.
And out for a corner kick it is for Kotoko. Kotoko are pushing more men to attacking areas now. Instead of the equalizer. Can they get it? Ball comes from entry. Good one. And of course headed out. And Samba O'Neill keep it in play. Will he? No, he won't. Outward.
Test meeting ended in a 0-0 draw. So let's see how this one will pan out if Hearts of Oak can master a win against the Porcupine Warriors today.
Entry. Well, Kakari Martin trying an audacious effort.
And in this Gaka Top 4 tournament, he's done so well. One attribute of him is his ability to carry the ball from his defensive areas and move up front.
And referee has blown for an infringement. Ball down to Zakaria Hussein, who has switched flanks to the left side with Samba. Hussein with a long run looking for the run of Kampoku. And Kampoku again was offside.
That was where Albert Amma was operating in, and that he had that chance, but then he couldn't find.
Kakari Martin on the ball now in the box. Zakaria shoots, and oh my God. Oh my word. A poor one from Kakari Martin. The idea was good. Execution terrible. I don't know if you watch the options, very few. Stopping his tracks to by Muhammad Ali. Impressive play from Ali Mohammed.
Yeah, but then again, I talked about Albert Amwa being found in space, and yet again, he's found in space. What happens is that when Kotoko
against Heart of Lions, but he's back in goal again now. Beautiful pass from him, but that was too strong. Looking for the run of either Duku or...
Went on him. A carry on the ball, or without a poor one from Kerry Martin.
You could see Frank Duku indicating to him to win another ball in midfield, Albert Amwa, and then the final delivery. Well,
ball drops to Kampoku now. In the box he goes. He finds Philip Amwa on the ball, and he shoots, and it's been blocked and cleared by Yao Aman Kwabe before Asante. A chance for Kotoko, but he could not make any meaningful out of that. Albert Amwa, so deep in midfield today. Looks for Asiedu on the left side. Asiedu on the ball now. Picks one up in entry. Entry with a good ball to Kampoku. Shoots one, and it is easily saved there. The linesman's flag is up off
position that I talked about, Kotoko finding that ball in that area and men moving.
Seen Kakari Martin on the right side. Kakari on the ball now for Kotoko. For Asante. Goes for one man. He has to go back. He does so. He finds Apon Afani, who now finds Karim. Can't really flee. Afani gets the ball to Poku. Afani with a chance. Afani still. What is he doing? Hussein with a shot, and he misses the post by Samenchis. From him with a good turn. Poku got the ball back to him, and the pass from Karim again. Hussein with a shot, just flying past the upright.
Brilliant understanding from this Hearts of Oak team. I told you that when a team...
Reginald Collins Amoa has blown for the end of the first 45 minutes, and the flag will fly high. Yellow, the rainbow colors will fly high. Has to book up 1-0 after 45 minutes against their fiercest rivals, Kotoko.
Good game. And both teams have had moments in possession, have had some understanding, great understanding. We saw the greatest chance falling to the Phobbians in there. And then congratulations to them. They've done well. But then I think that Kotoko themselves have also shown that they have what it takes to get back into this game, have had some brilliant chances as well. Let's see what the coaches will tell the team in the second half. If Karim Zito would bring that fire that we saw in the President's Cup the last time they met, and they came back strongly to some displays. They need to calm down their nerves and avoid mistakes at the background. But then for the Heart of Hope fans, they can go on and
Kakari with a chip, good one. Chance for Heart of Hope. That was a chance for Sibe. Oh my word. Looks like a Q with the ball. Good one. It drops in area still though. Headed out there by SCB. Referee has blown for an infringement for high foot against Kotoko Samba O'Neill.
Good one. We talked about them taking advantage of their set pieces, and I think that it was a great one. The ball came in. Heads went up, just that the defensemen were up to the task, and then the rebound from the captain, well, overhead kick went, and Karim
Zito, pensive, not Mensa, but I think we lose out. Amogas the ball, Shaibu on the ball now. Shaibu shoots one, and over the upright the ball goes. That was a chance in a million, and the Kotoko official cannot believe his eyes. Look at it again now. Shaibu on the ball in the box. He had ample time to pick a spot or got the ball, chose to go for a shot, and way off target.
Well, I mean, after the great work he's done, Shaibu.
For the man who just went down, Dauda Saka out, Kojo in for Kotoko. There he is. He's running socks off. Dauda Saka is out, replaced by Seth Kojo. Amo on the ball for Kotoko. Amo on the ball. Tries to go past this man, but cannot. And ball has been won there by Mensa. He finds Albert Amoa. Flag stays down. Amo on the ball now for Kotoko. Cross comes in from him, looking for the run of Amo. A ball headed out by Ransford Mensa for a throw in for Kotoko.
Yet another cross again. 3 men in the box, and you could see our coach, assistant coach Hamza Obeng, calling for more men into the box even before the cross was sent in. If they really want to get a goal, they need to get men into the box because the crosses are not bad at all.
Shaibu on the ball now, and the cross, Poku, but 4-1. Kotoko back on it now, and the poor pass from Seth Kojo, and out for a throw-in. Not too sure what he was looking for.
Seth has been brought in to liberate the likes of entry so that they can be able to move forward, and they need a calm person, and no wonder that the coach has brought Seth in to be able to calm the nerves of the players, find the right passes so that they can get more chances when they move forward.
Throw drops to Emmanuel Entry with a shot on his left foot, and it flew over the upright for a goal.
Talking about decision making yet again in positions like that, he should be finding the strikers, he should be finding his attackers and not taking a one-time shot. And then you see the bench dejected, disappointed, and not happy at all after 62 minutes of play.
Perfu on the ball, and he's been swept by Patrick Asiedu, who in turn has won an infringement for Kotoko.
No nonsense defending from Patrick Asiedu. He went in for the ball, he got the ball, he got up to keep playing, and then he won a foul for himself. I mean, determination. He knows that time is not on his side, and the impact of that tackle.
Up now, controlled by Adabo Hillary. Back to Adabo, 4 pass on him, attack with now, but again, has also given the ball with Kotoko. Good ball. Can Poku on a run now. Poku goes in the box. Robbie says no, play should go on. Play does go on.
The fans are livid, and when you watch that again, I mean,
says we got the ball, got to the ball first.
Got the ball, yeah.
Good clearance was has to be. Look at it. Got to the ball, fair and square.
And even the foul was outside the box.
There was no foul actually.
Or the contact was outside the box.
Got the ball clean and square and fair. It will be an in-swinger. Good one comes in. Has go up, it drops. Chance there, and ball has been cleared there by Opong up front with a clearance for Hard Suffolk. Asante came off his lines and he missed it completely.
They might get a chance. They just need to be wary at the back because they move men up front, the space is left behind, and they'll get chances like this. Hard Suffolk, and then Kotoko would also.
Cross comes in from Mensah and headed powerfully there by Asiedu and out for corner kick. He comes in, it's an in-swinger, go to the back, Blackpool, and comes to the chance! Goal! Lasso! Rafael Amponsa with a goal for Asante. Amankwa Emmanuel Easter with a free header, making it 2 for Asante. Look at the bench, Court Ramani. Look at that.
Punches the skies, again set piece situation, and you see the man who came off the bench.
Amankwa Emmanuel.
I told you about the essence of the Phobians. They have, they picked it up and then they scored.
Kotoko are bringing on striker Donzo. He is coming on for Philip Amo. So Donzo on for entry with that ball. Good one infield again. Headed on by Poku. Out for a goal kick for Hasso. Now, shot comes in, but into the wall. It'll be cleared by Kotoko. And that's a poor clearance from a double. So straight to Amponsa Raphael. But another attack breakdown, and there he is, smart young man, Shaibu. Away from him, and again, Asai is out. But straight though to entry, and then trying to tee up Asai, who had come out earlier on. 4-1 from entry.
And I talk about decision making yet again. He had a man to his right, he could have just found him there. He had other options to his left, but then he felt that the goalkeeper was out. And even for the tall figure.
Zakaria Martin, beautiful play from Zakaria Martin. Good play from him now. It's to Amponsa. Cross comes in, a chance for Asante. Being cleared by Asiedu for a corner kick to Asante.
We'll get to see that again. And a lot of space for the Phobians to operate. Yes, and right call from the officials here, corner kick. But then again, I talked about the spaces being left behind, and then the men in box always hungry to get the first goal, because anytime.
Carry with a good chip in there, goes in and headed out by Zakaria Fuseni for a throw.
That excites the fans, but then it was a good play from him, outwitting 2 players and then being brought down. Trust me, as a former player in my JHS days, at this moment, it is when you get to excite the crowd, and it's a good feeling when you are brought down after a good skill.
Kakari
cannot get to that ball. Referee has blown though for an infringement for Zakaria Martin for Asante.
I think
that is rather Kwesi Asma.
Well, Kwesi Asma, yeah. And
yellow card flashed. Zakaria Fuseni of Kotoko for that infringement.
Not happy with the call from the official Theophilus Agugri. But then again, I think it was the right call. He went through the body of Asma, got a bit of the ball, and it was a cynical challenge, and his reaction gets him a yellow card.
Yellow card for the Karafu side. This is why the tournament is so important. They have forced teams to really assess their team very well, and they have to make additions, do so to ensure the team is in the right state or level for the season ahead. Kotoko attacking now though through set. Kojo set on the ball still. Options very few. Picks one up in Shaibu on the right side. Shaibu trying to go past his man. Yes, he does now. In the box he goes now. Shaibu with a cutback. But ball is blocked. He was looking for a penalty though.
I think he hit the hand, but in a natural position.
And she goes in a good one, and we headed out there. It drops to entry again now. Another cross will come in from entry. Good one. It drops in the box now. Asante with a shot, and headed out there by Muhammad Ali for Asante. Good play from Shaibu again, but stopped powerfully. And linesman flag is up, offside against Kotoko. And referee Reginald Collins Amwa has blown the whistle for the end of the game here. It is all over. Great goal by our standards. Great game. Benjamin Asare has led his team, Poku, to victory over the Pablo.